Lesson 4, the structure of the modern periodic table. This looks at the basic design of the modern periodic table. So we can see in the lesson, the basic design, we have groups, which are the columns, and the rows, which are called periods. Each group, everything in a group has, the elements have properties which are in common. Okay, so we can also identify which element we're talking about by giving it a group number and a period number. So for example, group 2, period 2 is beryllium. We also then have the symbols for the elements in the periodic table is given as a capital letter followed by a lowercase l letter. So for example, this is lithium. Okay, and we could have things that just have one letter, for example, hydrogen. Okay, which is just a capital H. And the final bit is how we can split our periodic table into our groups of metals and non-metals, where we can see the properties on page 15 of the metals, and the periodic table can be split from the metals to the non-metals. Boron is the first non-metal, so along a line roughly going across from boron, then below boron, then we've got silicon, and so on across down there. So on your periodic tables and appendix A3, you can split your table carrying that line down diagonally, and if you do Google search for metals and non-metals periodic table, you'll see everything over here is metal and everything over here is non-metal. So this section is the non-metals, and there, okay, and this section is metals.